Let's look at the worked example on equation of the tangent and the normal. We are going to use all the two methods. We are going to look at the slope equation and the implicit differentiation. Let's start with the slope equation. So method 1, slope equation. So we have the slope equation to be y equal to mx plus c, where c is equal to p over m. So you need to find the p. So this is the equation of the parabola. So by comparing, so we need to compare this to the standard equation that look like the same equation here. So this one will give you y is equal to 4px. So we need to find p. So finding p, we have p is equal to 2. So p is equal to 2. If p is equal to 2, then our c is equal to 2 over m. So I'm going to put this c into the standard equation of the parabola, that is the slope, y equal to mx plus 2 over m. So we need to find the gradient m when we have x to be 2 and y to be 4. So we have y equal to, so m times x. So we have 2m, then plus 2 over m. M being the LCM, we're going to multiply through. So this one, the y is 4. So put 4 here. So we have 4m equal to 2m squared plus 2. So we arrange this to form quadratic equation. We have 2m squared minus 4m plus 2 equal to 0. Then when we work out this quadratic equation, we're going to have m minus 1 squared equal to 0. So we have m equal to 1 twice. So the result will be twice. So the gradient is 1. You're going to use this 1 to substitute with this equation. The gradient is 1 to get our equation of the tangent. So we have y equal to mx plus 2 over m, where m is equal to 1. So we have y equal to 1x plus 2 over 1. And we are going to have y equal to x plus 2. So writing this in a standard form, we have x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the standard form equation of a tangent. Now, if you want to find the equation of the normal, so the gradient of this equation of the normal will be m equal to -1. That is the negative reciprocal of the equation of the gradient of the tangent. So we have this to be, for the normal, we have to use the general equation of a straight line. That is y minus y1 equal to m into brackets x minus x1. Then we substitute the gradient inside. So I minus, and the y1 is the 2. So the 4. So we have 4, -1, then x minus 2. So we work this one out. We have minus x plus 2. And this will give you, in the standard form, this will give you x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. And this is the equation of the normal. And this is the equation of the tangent. So let's work out with the second method, that is method 2, and that is the implicit differentiation. So we're going to use the equation of the parabola given and differentiate this with respect to x. So this one will be 2y, the y, the x equal to 8. Now we have to make the y, the x the subject and divide through by 2y. So you're going to have 8 over 2y. Then you're going to substitute 4 in place of the y. And this will give you 8 over 2 times 4. So the y, the x is going to be, so it will be 1, 8 over 8. Now going to find the equation of the tangent by using, this time we are going to use the general equation of a straight line to find the equation of the tangent. And we are going to substitute the values here. So the x1 is 2, y1 is 4, and the gradient is 1. So we have to substitute accordingly. Then you solve. So with this, I'm going to get y. So making x come first, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. And this will give you the equation of the tangent. Then we have equation of the normal. So equation of the normal. That one, the gradient is -1. So we have y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. And that will give you y minus 4 equal to -1 x minus 2. So we have y minus 4 equal to negative x plus 2. So writing the standard form, we have x will come here, x plus y, then minus 6 equal to 0. And this will give you the equation of the normal. So if you compare the two methods, for the first method, the equation of the tangent was x minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. And the second method, the equation of the tangent, was also the same, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Then the equation of the normal for the first method is x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Then the equation of the normal for the second method is x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So whatever method you are comfortable with, that you can use to solve questions like this. You are being okay to use any of the method. But when the question is demanding any particular method to be used, that's what you will use. But if you're hoping to use any of the two methods, make sure you use the one that you understand most. Thank you very much for your time.